Well, hello family, welcome back to KatochXcrypto. In today's video, I'll talk about a token which I believe is very much undervalued. Yes, this is called as Lagrange with a ticker LA token, and we know in this market, every token is pumping. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, even Ripple has already pumped today. You can see here, and Pengu coin, everything is pumping. So you are looking for the best opportunity to invest in the most undervalued token, and I believe Lagrange is the one that you should take a look at definitely. So let's get started. Let's talk about Lagrange LA token and let's study it and see how much money you can make with this token. Now, for begin, like I always say, please do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and remember to click on link below to join my Telegram group right away. So, what is Lagrange? So, Lagrange, if you look at this website, the Twitter handle, it is bringing trust and safety to their AI powered world. Lagrange Deep Proof verifies AI interfaces with zero knowledge proof. So it is building something for AI. And when we talk about the token LA, you will be shocked about this token. What are the use cases of it? So LA token is actually the native utility token powering the Lagrange proven network and Deep Proof, their own tech. The world's leading ZKML system for generating zero knowledge proof for AI. Again, it is based on AI. With Deep Proof integration already in motion with NVIDIA. This is important. NVIDIA, Sentient, OG, and others. Lagrange is positioned to fuel the future for verifiable AI at scale for Lagrange. So clearly, this token is here to help AI build a verifiable system. And with tie-up with NVIDIA, Sentient, OG, the big names, this token is here to stay with features like staking, delegation, payments, access to gateway experience. Clearly, this token is a good utility, and I believe with such tie-ups, the price is very much undervalued for this token. They're also giving 20% expected API for this token. You can see here, you can buy from SEX and DEX clearly, but let's look at the numbers and see where we are at. So look at here, $70 million is the market cap, which is nothing for this token that has a very big partnership network. You can see circulation supply is 193 million token only, and total supply is 1 billion token only. That is nothing. And look at there down here, all time high is already 1.72, all time low is 25 cent that is made, and right now trading at 36 cents, which makes it a good buy. If you look at the chart is already beginning to build up a momentum, which means it is about to make a low test candle. Two low test candles already made. That means there are high chances of this token to go back up in value, and target should be around 50 cents. So clearly a good amount of money can be made this token with reward to risk ratio like 1:5 time. If you draw a long term chart, you can see here, if I put a trade, I strongly believe it can actually go to 50 cents, and the risk that you need to take is quite low. So if you are here, and if we zoom in on this one and put a stop target around here, around this low test, and profit target around 50 cents, just take a look at here. Your reward to risk ratio, or the enterprise right over here, the reward to risk ratio is nearly 4x. So clearly, if you lose, you're going to lose a very little. If you gain, you're going to gain a good amount of profit. So clearly, if you're on the sidelines looking for a token that can make you money, if you missed Pengu, if you missed XRP, if you missed Binance, you missed Ethereum, well, take a look at Lagrange. I think it has a good potential to hold and can make you profit in the coming week. So again, do drop your thoughts in the comment section. Of course, the chart shows that it has hit an all-time high of nearly around $5 during the TGE before crashing down. And since it got listed on Binance, it had some value added to it. So clearly, comment below, share your thoughts. I believe this token is totally undervalued and can pump really high. What are your thoughts? Comment below, let me know. With that, I complete my video. Let's meet tomorrow with a new video, new content. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.